Oh, look at this angelic creation.
Hey, what's up Eat Squad? Today I'm going to show you how to make butter chicken pasta. It's a spin on an Indian classic dish, butter chicken. Let's get it. I'm going to start off by marinating my chicken with some plain Greek yogurt, some ginger and garlic paste, some turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala, some salt, and some black pepper. And just mix this all up and let it marinate anywhere from 30 minutes to overnight. Once it's marinated in my hot pan here, I'm going to start off with some butter. Just going to quickly brown my chicken on both sides here. Give that a quick flip. Once it's done on both sides, take it out and set it aside, and let's start working on the sauce now. In the same pan with all that great flavor, I'm going to add in some more butter. Gotta stay true to the name of the dish. To this, my onions, my ginger paste, my garlic paste, and some cashews. The cashews are going to add richness, nuttiness, and silkiness to the dish. Season our sauce with some turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala, black pepper, some salt, some sugar, and some dried red chilies. And I'm going to add in some water to just let everything simmer together. Once my onions are translucent and cooked through, I'm just going to add in my tomatoes. Once my tomatoes cook down and get mushy, I'm just going to puree this into a sauce. To my hot pan here, I'm going to reintroduce the chicken and pour in that sauce that we just blended up. And just let that simmer and hang out so the chicken absorbs all of that flavor. In the meantime, I have my water boiling here for my pasta. Salt it generously. We want it as salty as the Indian Ocean. When my pasta is just a little under al dente, I'm going to add it to our sauce so it can finish cooking with the sauce and some cilantro. And if you want the exact recipe, check out the description box below. I'll write out a full recipe with the exact measurements so you can make this at home too. While you're down there, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for more flavorful recipes. And you just want to stir this constantly so as to not burn the pasta or the sauce on the bottom. That looks done, so I'm just going to top this off with some Kasuri Methi, some heavy cream, and lastly, some cilantro. And there you have it, folks, butter chicken pasta.